cheating. She said mom told me for this. Okay?
No, I did not.
We can't have like these cheaters here. Okay.
Hi friends, I'm so bored. मैं और मेरे पापा ने एक फन चैलेंज प्लान किया था, लेकिन वो तो अभी ही सो रहे हैं। क्या करूं उनके साथ कुछ फन करूं? चलो, लेकिन चुप रहना, सो रहे हैं।
No.
Oh, hi Sheen. I did a very fun thing with my papa today.
Trisha!
I think it's woken up. I'm going to phone. Bye.
Trisha, क्या है ये?
Papa, it's just fun.
But why my face?
Papa, we planned a fun activity, but you were still sleeping. So I thought I could do fun with you.
Oh yeah, baby, I forgot.
Okay.
अभी करें?
हाँ. पर पहले पापा आप तो अपना फेस तो वॉश करो.
Oh yes, लेकिन तब तक आप सब सेट करके रखो. मैं क्विकली फेस वॉश करके आता हूँ. ठीक है?
Papa, are you ready for the fun challenge?
Yes.
Are you both ready?
Yes. So shall we start? What are these for, yeah?
Okay, so let me quickly tell you both about what the challenge is all about.
Okay.
तो आप दोनों के सामने ये क्यूट से दो येलो और पिंक कलर का कुछ रखा है. Can you quickly turn it and see what it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is there? Can you
Yes
show
and
to the
no.
camera?
Yes and
It
no.
says yes and no.
Okay, so can you think of something which we could be playing right now? So let me only explain. So the game is
Yeah.
how well do you know each other? मतलब आप दोनों एक दूसरे को कितना अच्छे से जानते हो. तो मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस प्रिपेयर किए हैं जो मैं आप दोनों को एक एक करके पूछूंगी.
So we understand.
Okay, and also no cheating. Okay. So Trisha, the first question is, if Papa had a robot, what do you think he will do with it?
The robot could read for Papa. I can't believe I did it right.
Okay. So Papa, same question to you.
This is cheating. She said mom told me for this. Okay?
No, I did not.
We can't have like these cheaters here. Okay.
Okay, so same question for you, Papa. If Trisha had a robot, what do you think she will do with it?
She will make that robot pick up all her toys in the house. No!
No, he could dance for me.
I thought so, but I did not say.
Right?
Okay.
So should we start with the second question?
Yay!
Yes.
Like this. Sit straight.
This question is for Trisha.
Yes.
I have to answer with this right or wrong.
Okay, so the question is, in what ways do you think so you are like Papa?
We both do activities. We keep watching on screen things all the time. And we both love each other.
Oh, it's a big yes.
So the same question is for you.
Okay.
In what way do you think that you and Trisha are like each other?
We can laze around. No, we can't laze around together. We don't like eating vegetables. We love reading.
Yeah.
And we love singing also. And we both love each other. Thank you.
I love the vegetable one.
Don't lie.
I'm not lying.
You are lying, okay? Which vegetable do you like?
Gama.
So Trisha, here goes the next question for you.
For me.
What is Papa's favorite dessert? Sweet.
Chocolate.
Papa, is that correct? So Papa, same question for you. Which is Trisha's favorite dessert or sweet?
Chocolates.
Okay, Trisha. So now you have to tell us which is Papa's favorite series that he likes to watch.
Shark Tank.
Okay.
So same question for you, Papa. What is Trisha's favorite cartoon to watch?
Oh God. I think My Little Pony was there, and currently she's watching with some girl. That wish bomb. What is that? Wishing poop. Yeah. No.
I love watching Sophia the Firefly.
Trisha, what does Papa do when he gets up in the morning? The very first thing that he does.
He goes in the washroom.
Okay.
And same question for Papa. What is the first thing that Trisha does when she gets up?
She wakes Mama up. Liar.
Okay. So the next question is for Trisha.
Okay.
Trisha, would you like if Papa cooks something for you?
Okay.
Same question for you, Papa. Would you like if Trisha cooks something for you?
Trisha, this was fun, yeah.
Yeah,
Was it
sure
it?
was. And Papa, no, and yes, challenge.
Yeah.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I need almost 1,000 viewers and 50 million subscribers.
50 million. Oh.